When people search for Easter recipes, one of the most common questions is, can you eat salmon on Easter Sunday? Or even, is salmon an Easter food at all? When people ask if salmon belongs on the Easter table, the answer is actually simple. Fish isn't meat. The church has always considered it a special food, and Christ himself fed thousands with nothing but bread and fish. But on Easter itself, the fast is lifted completely and anything goes on the table. But there is another reason why you need to prepare this Easter recipe. Most traditional Easter meals are heavy, and for many people, they don't feel good afterwards. If you want an Easter dish that feels festive, but still supports an anti-inflammatory way of eating, this is one of the easiest options. This version is different. I start with fresh trout and place it into a baking dish. Then I add sliced garlic, rosemary, thyme, a little salt and pepper, olive oil, and just a bit of lemon juice. Simple ingredients, but they work very well together. Trout is one of the most interesting choices if you're trying to build a more anti-inflammatory diet. It naturally contains omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, and these are the fats most often associated with supporting the body's ability to regulate inflammatory processes. In fact, a typical portion of trout can provide a meaningful amount of these omega-3s, which is one of the reasons this fish is often recommended in balanced, health-focused diets. Then I cover the dish with foil and bake it gently in the oven. This step matters more than people think. Cooking methods like baking at moderate temperatures help preserve these delicate fats much better than high-heat frying. While the trout is baking, I prepare asparagus. And when everything is ready, I serve the fish on a bed of asparagus to keep the dish light, fresh, and easy to digest. What I like about this meal is that it gives you high-quality protein, beneficial fats, and a combination of simple, real ingredients, without the heaviness that often comes with holiday food. So if you want to enjoy Easter food and still feel good afterwards, this is a very balanced option to include on your table. And if you'd like more simple anti-inflammatory Easter recipes like this, you can continue with the next videos in the series.